Hello guys, my name is Ashish and today I'll discuss about storage and memory. Okay, so basically in Solidity language there are two types of location that we have, okay, to store variables. So first one is storage and second one is memory. Okay, so yeah, the storage is basically refer to the variable that are going to store permanently in a blockchain. Okay, and if I talk about the memory, so these are going to store for temporary basis. Okay, and yeah, we can also relate this with hard disks and RAM in our system. Okay, so let's explore these two terms with example. Okay, so for that I'll make a file, okay, name storage and memory dot sol for Solidity. And as you're already familiar that first of all we just need to comment out the license, then pragma Solidity, and then the version 0.8.0. okay, and contract, I'm taking example as the name. Okay, so basically the thing is that in Solidity language all the state variables are basically going to use the storage location. Okay, and these are going to store permanently in our blockchain. Okay, so here I'm just taking a string data type and I'm taking the name as value equals to, let's say, Solidity. So this is the state variable and this is going to use the storage. Okay, and this is also going to store permanently in our blockchain. Okay, now I'll be making, and yeah, one thing that I also want to mention that if we use some variable in function, okay, so those variables are going to use the memory location, okay, to for the temporary basis. Okay, and after the call all this variables going to be erased from our smart contract. Okay, now I'll be making a function, okay, function called memory. Okay, and first of all I'll make it as public and I just want to read this value, so I'll use the view keyword. And I also want to returns, okay, returns what type? I also return the string type, and I'll use the memory because I'm not gonna store this permanently. I'm gonna use this for for temporary basis. Okay, then I'm gonna take a string, and yeah, again I'll use for temporary basis. As I already said, in our function all the variable basically going to use the memory location. Okay, so memory keyword, I'm just taking a name str. I'm initializing the value with this value. Okay, value. Okay, now if we change this value, okay, like str, if I initialize a new value like hello, okay, then it will change because it is it is using the local copy, so it will change. Okay, the what is the warning is name. Okay, I just need to return something. Okay, so return value. Okay, so as this is local copy, so it won't change our original value. Okay, so I can deploy, you can see deploy, you can see the success log, and this is the result. Okay, basically if we click on memory, you can see this is Solidity already. Okay, it's not going to change the value with hello. Okay, so yeah, now if we talk about the storage type, okay, now suppose I'm I just want to change, I'm just using this as storage. Okay, I have to save this value in a storage location. Okay, now if we change this value, I just want, you can see that I'm getting an error. Okay, that type little string hello is not implicitly convertible to an expected type or storage type. So from here we can see that as this is as this is a storage type, so it is basically working as a reference, and it's working as a reference or pointer, you can say. Okay, so yeah, and it's pointing to the location of where this value is stored in our storage. Okay, in our smart contract. So yeah, that's why we can't change this value with this simple hello. Okay, so yeah, so basically yeah, the thing is that you need to know is if we use storage, then it's going to use permanently in our blockchain or in our contract. Okay, otherwise we can use the memory keyword, okay, for the temporary basis. Okay, and yeah, it will erase after the call. Okay, so that is for the today's video, and I think you enjoy. Bye bye.